Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's been a minute since we posted here on our channel. Just been extremely busy fulfilling hundreds and hundreds of orders. If you guys purchased from our website or you guys grabbed anything from us in the past, we truly do appreciate it. But as you guys can see by the title, we picked up a new car. Sadly, we had to let our M4 go because an opportunity presented itself and we just couldn't pass up on it. As you may know or may not, the new G80Xs are kind of hard to get your hands on. It's either you can do a pre-order, you leave a deposit with your dealership, or you just figure out a way to get one, because these cars are not really sitting at the dealerships, because as soon as they get there, they already have an allocation and people are just buying them and just taking them. But an opportunity presented itself. One was available about 6 hours away and we had to hop on it and not let it go, because deep down inside, I've always wanted to get one since it's been released, and yeah, we finally got one. So sadly, we had to let our M4 go. If you guys haven't seen the final version of that build before we let it go, I'll attach some pictures right here so you guys can check it out. Let us know what you think down below. If you guys don't follow us on our social medias, make sure to do so. All the links will be down below in the description. But anyways, guys, enough of me talking. I'm gonna show you guys the car. It's really, really nice, and pretty happy with the spec, so check it out. So here she is, guys. Wow, this car is absolutely gorgeous. The all black looks so good. We got the black wheels. There's no carbon on exterior right now, which is really good, because you guys know that's where we're gonna come in and get involved and design tons of stuff for this car. But just doing a quick walk around, this car is absolutely gorgeous. You know, when this car first got revealed and showed online, I was a little apprehensive on the way it looked, but as time went on, came out, we went to see it in person, I was honestly blown away. At the time, I didn't plan on getting one, but like I said, guys, we had an opportunity to get one and we couldn't pass it up. So, you know, this is something we had to go for, but we are absolutely happy with what we've done and we can't wait to start modding this car. So I have the spec sheet right here on my phone. I'm just gonna kind of go over it with you guys and just walk around it and explain little things on what specs this car does have, because if you do pre-order it, if you go online, you guys can spec your own out to exactly your liking and stuff like that. So starting off with the obvious, guys, the car is black. The color is a black sapphire metallic, and this color is absolutely gorgeous. I don't know if the camera picks it up, but there is like a metallic flake in the paint. It's easy to tell because the side skirts, mirror caps, and portion of the rear diffuser are actually just plain gloss black. So you can see the little difference. Let me see, probably right there, you guys can see, has more of a pearlescent tint in there compared to the rear diffuser where it's just plain gloss black. So yeah, so this color is black. I know when it comes to black cars, the upkeep is a lot of work, but they just look so good when they're clean, and I always keep my cars clean. They're always kept inside the shop, so I'm not worried about any tree sap or any contamination just sitting on the paint for a long time. So now moving on to the wheels, the spec sheet is a little all over the place, so I kind of want to knock out the exterior first, then we'll go inside. These are the double M spoke black wheels. It's the 826 M style wheels. They look so good for a stock wheel. BMW definitely killed it, and the fitment surprisingly is pretty good for, you know, stock wheels. The front is a little sunken in. We're gonna get some spacers in the meantime, you know, while we get some wheels set up, but the rear actually sits pretty good. Again, there is that gap, but as far as the width of the wheel, it's pretty aggressive. It almost fills in that arch completely, so that's pretty good. The rears are 20s and then the fronts are 19, so I definitely like how BMW did that. Kind of the same thing with our GTS, where it's a staggered setup, 2019. Then moving on to our brakes, our calipers are painted red and they look so good. They pop out extremely well with the all black look. I think we possibly might add some more red accents around the car because I think it's a good theme going on, you know. It looks really, really nice. This is the rear caliper. Even though I wish it was a little bigger, still looks really good. Then we got these beautiful headlights, the laser lights. They look so good. I'm a huge fan of these. When I seen them on the M8, I believe, I could be wrong, but I think that's the first time we've seen them. They were absolutely gorgeous, and I was so happy they incorporated these on the new M3s and M4s. There's a lot of other similar elements from the M8 I'm seeing in the interior as well, but those headlights are gorgeous. Another thing is we do have the carbon roof. The design is a little different. There's these like two gills running through it, opposed to like an abrupt hump. I think that looks cool though. It kind of follows the front, because the front has these here as well. So I can see why they went with that. I do miss the big hump though on the front of the hood, but I could definitely get used to this. Eventually we're gonna upgrade the hood to something a little more aggressive, but in the time being, this definitely gets the job done. Moving on to the rear. Wow, what can I say? BMW really killed it with this. Super aggressive, love the diffuser. We got the gloss black M3 competition badge. These taillights are really nice as well. So now moving on to the inside, guys, and probably the most beautiful part of this car is this interior. It looks so nice. This orange just contrasts very, very well with everything. Just to answer you guys' question right away, we didn't get the carbon bucket seats because we do want to develop some seat backs for these normal seats, and these seats are extremely comfortable. I'm not sure if I mentioned, we did drive 6 hours to get this car, and the drive back was so comfy, no issues, back wasn't hurting, nothing. I was actually getting very comfortable and sleepy driving, so these seats are amazing. Got the full carbon interior trim, which looks really, really good. I do like how they added the M3 competition badge right there. The red stop start button. So BMW is taking notes. They're seeing that we love to change out these little things, and they kind of just incorporate it already. The steering wheel is absolutely beautiful. We have the full carbon all the way around. We got the carbon paddles. I love how the paddles have the little grip in the back. It feels very, very nice. It has a good click. You guys hear that? So yeah, so moving on to the back seats, guys. Check them out. Tons of room. Again, like I was saying, we do eventually want to fit some carbon backings for these seats. And definitely possibly get a roll cage one day. We're gonna make a video soon talking about what mods we plan to do, and just some future things that are already set in stone, so you guys can look forward to that. I'm sure if you guys are watching this video, you've seen them before, but let us know down below, what do you guys think of our new shop car? What do you think of the spec? Completely murdered out. We're excited to have a super stealthy looking car. Only thing we're not too excited about is the upkeep, but like I said, we keep the car stored inside our shop, so we shouldn't have to worry about it too much. So that's gonna end it for today's video, guys. What do you think of our G80 M3? Is the murdered outlook for you? Comment down below. We're pretty curious to know. So that's gonna do it for today's video, guys. Like I said, we'll see you very soon on the next video. We're gonna be posting a few update videos on what we have planned for this car. Some mods already set in stone, so you guys don't wanna miss those out. Please make sure to subscribe, follow us on all our social media links down below, and we'll see you guys soon. Peace out.